Thunderball. Some me give it to, some me give it to, some me give it to our girls. 5 million and 40 naughty shorty.
Okay. So it's great. I'm very happy. The only issue I'm having right now, because I've been playing with this thing for the last 2-3 days, is if I switch to radio, like on my steering wheel, for example,
George, to get better before the
and
party unite.
Now I want to get back to Android Auto. Let me lower this volume. I want to get back to my Android Auto, and I go to Source, and I try to click on Apple CarPlay. It's not taking me back. So the only workaround for that is if I press, let's say I'm in my Google Maps, I would literally have to go back to Amazon Music and press play, and then I'm back. And then I'm back in that audio. So that's the only minor issue that I have, which is no big deal. Okay, Google. Hey, Google. Let's see, put the map on. Hey, Google. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm recording, so I can't use my Google voice control, but it works 100%. That's it. That's pretty much it. Really nothing else to report.